It sounds kind of odd for a nonprofit to invest in some promotional stuff, because some people will say, well, shouldn't your money be spent solely on projects? But if people don't know who we are, they're not going to be able to invest in us or become part of the organization or even receive services. Our mission is repairing homes, revitalizing communities, and rebuilding lives. We provide critical home repairs to low-income neighbors in need at no cost to the homeowners. What we do is make homes safe and healthy by partnering with volunteer organizations and businesses to make sure that our neighbors that are primarily senior citizens, people with disabilities, or veterans are able to live safe and healthy in their homes. Promotional products keep us at the forefront of people's mind. It could be a way for people to remember who we are and also reflect their involvement with the organization. We're really big on laptop stickers right now that we'll be able to give them out to all of our volunteers, and it'll slap them on their laptops, and as people are walking around, it's like a badge of pride for them to say, oh, I was a part of this. This was something that was transformational. So it's not only a good way to advertise the organization, but it's also a good way for people to show their pride in their community and saying, I was a part of something big, and they're happy to talk about it and share their experience with others.